Libre
Libre
様、
様、
よろしいのですか？
all the things that
殴
I
る前に
told
聞く
ya.
よね。
だと
Shion is Rimuru's first secretary, a top executive in the Jura Tempest Federation, a member of the 12 Guardian Lords and Rimuru's Big Four, and leads her own personal army. Shion is a skilled melee fighter known for her immense strength and swordsmanship. Since then, Ciel has restricted Shion's evolution due to her skill having the potential to kill Rimuru. In Volume 20, during her battle with Dagrul in the Stopped World, Shion's evolution was triggered as a restriction lifted, granting her ultimate power. Obtaining the ultimate skill, Susanoo, Lord of Tyranny. Her formidable power, akin to an ultimate skill, lets her freely alter the outcome of any action or the state of any object to her will, regardless of its improbability. The most dangerous among them are Infinite Outcome and Delusion Destruction, and Ciel warned that combining them could potentially kill Rimuru. Shion can temporarily exist as a digital life form and move within the Stopped World. Shion become a divine fighter battles Soloni.
Shin and Diablo are fiercely loyal to Rimuru but have a potential for rivalry due to their similar roles. Shin, who has been with Rimuru since the beginning, is like the old butler, while Diablo, a powerful primordial demon, is the elite butler. Their different styles, Shin's emotional and straightforward approach versus Diablo's strategic and calculated methods, can lead to misunderstandings and competition. As long as Shin doesn't view Diablo as her arch-nemesis, this rivalry can remain healthy and not turn into destructive jealousy. Rimuru's fair leadership is key to keeping both subordinates feeling valued, ensuring their loyalty and strengths benefit the Tempest Federation.
Aku